Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Heroku Redis on your PC. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Heroku official website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Create New App in the upper right corner. Give your app a unique name and select a region. After creating the app, go to the Resources tab. In the Add-ons section, search for Heroku Redis. Select the Heroku Redis add-on that appears in the search results. Choose your desired plan and click on Provision. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have the Heroku CLI installed on your computer. If it isn't installed, download and install it from the Heroku website. After installing, authenticate your session using the command Heroku login. Return to your Heroku dashboard and find your Redis configuration settings. Click on your app and navigate to the Settings tab. Locate the Config vars section. Copy the Redis URL from the config vars. Open your terminal once more. Decide on a local Redis server solution. You can install Redis using a package manager like Homebrew or download it directly from the official Redis website. Run the installation commands suitable for your operating system. Once installed, start your local Redis server with the command Redis server. In a new terminal window, connect to your Redis server using the command Redis CLI. To test if everything is working, run a simple command like ping. You should receive a response saying pong. Now, in your application, configure the connection to use the Heroku Redis URL you copied earlier. Ensure your application code is set to handle connections correctly. Test your application locally to confirm connectivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.